Introduction. Hi there, and welcome to this video on how successful entrepreneurs make decisions. If you're a budding entrepreneur or just curious about how business leaders make choices, this video is for you. In just 3 minutes, we'll explore the key principles and strategies used by successful entrepreneurs to make informed decisions. Define decision-making. Before we dive in, let's define what we mean by decision-making. In business, decision-making is the process of choosing between two or more options to achieve a specific goal. It involves analyzing information, weighing pros and cons, and selecting the best course of action. Key principles. Successful entrepreneurs rely on a few key principles when making decisions. First, they focus on clear goals and objectives. This means setting specific, measurable, and achievable targets that align with their business vision. For example, a startup founder might set a goal to increase sales by 20% within the next quarter. Gather information to make informed decisions. Entrepreneurs gather relevant information from various sources. This might include market research, customer feedback, financial data, and expert opinions. By considering different perspectives and data, entrepreneurs can identify potential risks and opportunities. Evaluate options. Once they have gathered information, entrepreneurs evaluate each option based on its potential impact, feasibility, and alignment with their goals. For instance, a small business owner might compare the pros and cons of launching a new product or expanding into a new market. Make a decision. After evaluating options, entrepreneurs make a decision. This might involve selecting a single option or combining elements of multiple choices. For example, a startup founder might decide to launch a new product and expand into a new market simultaneously. Review and adjust. Finally, entrepreneurs review their decisions and adjust as needed. This involves monitoring progress, gathering feedback, and making adjustments to stay on track. By regularly reviewing and adjusting their decisions, entrepreneurs can refine their strategy and achieve their goals. Recap and call to action. That's a brief overview of how successful entrepreneurs make decisions. Remember, informed decision-making is a skill that can be developed with practice and patience. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more educational content. We'd love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.